Hey everyone, welcome back to Tech Savvy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to open YouTube on Chrome for Android. It's super simple and convenient if you prefer using the browser instead of the app. So let's get started. First, open up any browser on your phone and simply search YouTube. And here, if I will tap on YouTube, it will take me to the YouTube app. And it's very annoying. So what you have to simply do is to hold the YouTube button. And here you will see bunch of options. You can tap on any option from the first two options, which are open in new tab in group and open in new tab. And tap on YouTube tab right here. And now you can use YouTube on Chrome. You can watch videos, search for content and explore your favorite channels. And that's it. You have successfully opened YouTube on Chrome for Android. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Tech Savvy for more helpful content. And I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.